Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make filter coffee South Indian style. So let's get started. So to make the filter coffee, the first thing that is needed is this coffee press. So about this container, you can get it in any local shop selling utensils, or you can even buy it from Amazon. So I'll show you this container. So this is there are like two parts to it. The bottom container is for collecting the decoction, and the upper part, as you can see, it's a perforated container, and this is a place where we'll be putting our coffee powder. And there is this umbrella kind of one part to it, which is used for pressing the coffee. So let's get started now in making the filter coffee. So to make the filter coffee, we have to use the filter coffee powder. We cannot use instant coffee powder. I'm using 2 heap of coffee powder here. So what I'll do is I'll place this on top of the bottom container. And then this umbrella is used to just press the coffee. Okay, so we don't have to press it too hard, but just enough so that it's leveled. Okay. When you're buying coffee powder, filter coffee powder, there are many varieties available in the market. So some come with 80% coffee and 20% chicory. So there is always a mixture of chicory in the coffee powder. So you may have the proportion of 80-20 or 70-30. So you can choose as per how strong coffee you want. I generally go for 80-20. Okay. So this is now I have just pressed the coffee powder as I told you. Now we are going to take boiling water, okay, hot boiling water, and just pour it on this one, just enough, and we'll just close the lid. Now it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the coffee to percolate down in the decoction. So after 15-20 minutes, I'll show you how it looks like. So it's been about 15 minutes now. So just be mindful of not pressing it, holding it from down, because it will be hot. And as you can see now, just check out inside the decoction. The coffee decoction has got collected, and this is what we'll be using to make our coffee. So when you're pouring water, just make sure it's boiled water. It has to be hot water and at boiling temperature. Okay, so just make sure you've added that kind of water here. So now I'm going to add this decoction into a container. So this is the traditional container in which the coffee is generally served in South India. So this is called Dabra, and I'm serving coffee in the same one right now. You can even use a normal coffee mug, that's fine. So now I'm going to pour decoction into this. Now it depends on how strong of a coffee do you want. Accordingly, you can adjust the quantity of decoction that you'll be pouring into this one. So I've just poured about, say, 1/3, 1/4, just very little coffee in it. And then we need milk. We need to add milk, and this has to be again boiling milk, like very hot milk that you need to serve in the pour in this one. Yeah. So I'll just add coffee. You can adjust how much milk you want as per how strong of a coffee you want it to be. So here, and then you can add sugar as per taste. Now this is filter coffee. It tastes better with a little bitter taste, so less of sugar is better, but it's on your preference on how you would like. And this coffee is ready to be served. We can just decorate it with some coffee on top. And here it is. Our coffee is ready. I have made it a bit more frothy by moving it from one glass to other. Coffee has become an important part of my breakfast. Do try it out, guys, and let me know how you like it. Bye bye.